Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to configure email forwarding in Hotmail or Outlook.com. You'll see how to turn it on, turn it off, and manage auto forwarding. So yeah, let's dive in. First, sign in to your Outlook.com account using your email and password. Make sure you're on the main inbox page before moving on. Next, go to the Settings menu, the gear icon at the top right corner, and click on View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. Under Settings, select Mail, then go to Forwarding. This is where you can enable or disable automatic email forwarding. To turn forwarding on, check the box that says Enable Forwarding and enter the email address you want messages to go to. You can also choose to keep a copy in your inbox. To turn it off, just uncheck the box. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page to make sure your changes stick. That's really important. And that's it. Now, your emails will forward automatically if you turned it on, or stay in your inbox if you turned it off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Outlook tips.